Hello there, YouTube people that subscribe to my channel or something. So I'm going to do a review of the Raven Nerf gun. So it basically is this. Don't have any attachments on it, but look. So here's your battery. Here's your ammo clip. See, I don't have it yet, but yes, I lost it. And this for your old gun of mine. And here is where you put the batteries. So all you gotta do is just like pull this first, then pull the trigger. If you do this, it won't work. Like, yeah. And then if you open this, it will do nothing, and then you can still pull it, but you can see the bullets like coming, you know. And then when you take out the clip and shoot, you can't do some pull. So basically there is, and here's the attachment slots, another attachment slot if you can see right here on the scope place, and different ammo clips. And still, Andrew, you should really pay me because you lost my banana mag. Or you might steal it because it looks pretty cool. Bye.